Hello dear students, we now start with the next topic, congruence of segments. Here in this slide you see two segments, segment AB and segment PQ. Both the length are of 4 cm. Therefore we can say length AB is equal to length PQ, which is same as length PQ is equals to length AB. Now if you trace segment AB on a sheet of transparent paper and then place this new segment on segment PQ, you will see that point A is placed on point P and point B on point Q. It means that segment AB is congruent with segment PQ. We can infer from this that if two line segments are equal in length and they coincide exactly with each other, they are congruent. We now see the properties of congruent segments. If segment AB is congruent to segment PQ, then segment PQ is congruent to segment AB. Just like how I said, if AB is equal to PQ, then PQ is also equal to AB. The same rule is applied here. Property number 2, if segment AB is congruent to segment PQ and segment PQ is congruent to segment MN, then segment AB is also congruent to segment MN. Now let us solve one example from your maths textbook, page number 8. From the shape shown below, write the names of the pairs of congruent line segments. Boys, kindly solve this example using a ruler to find equal length. Segment AB is congruent to segment DC, which means segment AB and DC both are of equal length. Segment AE is congruent to segment BH. Segment EF is congruent to segment AD. Segment DF is congruent to segment CG. So this is how you find out congruent line segments. You have to measure and check the segment with equal length. Now let's learn congruence of angles. You see different angles with measurement. Let's observe and write the names of those having equal measurement. We have angle ABC and angle PQR of 35 degree. So we write it as measurement of angle ABC is equals to measurement of angle PQR, and of 90 degree we have measurement of angle EFG equal to measurement of angle LMN. Measurement of angle IJK is equal to measurement of angle UVW equal to 100 degree. So now we know two angles with equal measures are congruent to each other. Now let's see the properties of congruence of angles. Property number 1, if angle ABC is congruent to angle PQR, then angle PQR is also congruent to angle ABC. Next, if angle ABC is congruent to angle LMN and angle LMN is congruent to PQR, then angle ABC is congruent to angle PQR. Now if you notice, the properties of congruence of angle and the properties of congruent of segments both are same.